Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can download and install GTA San Andreas in PC. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First of all, open the Steam app on your laptop or PC and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Various playable games will be available here. In order to locate San Andreas, click on the search bar and search for GTA. Now, a bunch of GTA games will be displayed. Select the preferred game, verify your age, and then click on Add to Cart. Choose the way you want to buy, either you want to gift it or just purchase it for yourself. Now, choose the payment method. After selecting the method, enter the required information and continue towards the next step to buy it successfully. After buying it, go to the library section, choose the game and click on Install. Then in the download section, your game installation and downloading status will be available. And that's how you can download and install GTA San Andreas in PC. Hope you liked the video. Thanks!